Hi, I wanted to make a video on a chicken wing basket for a smoker. I smoke wings and I have to flip every one of them. So I wanted something I could put a whole bunch of wings in and then put them in the smoker. Time to flip them all at once. So this is what I came up with. So this is the basket. I have a couple more over there. I'm not a welder, so this isn't about how my welds are, it's about the concept. And I'll take you through how I did it. You can see it's ready to go now. I have I have a board in there. And we just put a couple of these clips. I got those, they're not gonna burn. And then what I can do, I think it's still kind of hot, if I can take the whole thing and flip it over. I'll take you through that. So I want to go over, my welds are not good and I know that, but the concept is what I'm after. So you can see I just C-clamped them down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld over here, 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 here. Take the clamps off and finish the weld. Okay, I got it ready to do the other side now. You can see what I did is I put a spacer in there with some clamps to, because the wings are going to be a little bit bigger. I don't want it right on each other, so I want a space in there. And you can see that I put those right on the bottom. So again, it ain't about my welds. So now I'm putting the handles on. You can see I use the spacer again, and it's nice and tight up here. Okay, I'm going to do this on both sides, but it's going to be the same. So I do one side first. The other key thing is I want to have a support back here on both of these. So I put it the whole way back. Okay, so this is the other side. You can see I'm doing the exact same thing. Okay. Well, I wanted to show you one of the things. I have a 110 welder. It's a stick welder. So it's old, but it works. Don't care what the welds look like as long as it works. Okay, so here's the finished product. I put some gloves in here to represent chicken. And you can see you can lift it up, put your chicken in, and bring it down. And I have a clamp that I'm going to use. And I'll probably put 2 clamps on it, but it's in pretty good shape. Now I can just turn the whole thing over like that. Okay, I'm going to see if I can show you how this is going to work. So we slide this out, have our wings in here, one flip, take it out, flip it over, and we'll have 3 of them here. Push it back in, close it up.